During the year 2003, we celebrated 100 years of human flight. But since the Wright brothers' first flight in 1903, airplanes have changed a lot. The first aircraft were biplanes and zeppelins, also known as airships. Today we have commercial jets and ultra-modern military planes. The modern age of aviation began on U.S. soil in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. On December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers got their simple biplane off the ground. They were the first people in the world to fly in an airplane. In 1927, Charles Lindbergh became famous when he flew his plane, the Spirit of St. Louis, from Long Island, New York to Paris, France, in 33.5 hours. He was the first person ever to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean, and he became a national hero. The early and middle 1900s saw new developments in flying machines, especially the ones used by the military. The U.S. Army Air Corps bought its first airplane in 1909, just 6 years after the Wright brothers' first flight. Military aircraft have become faster and more sophisticated since then. Passenger airlines began in the 1930s and 40s. At first, tickets for flights were so expensive that only very rich people could afford them. But during the 1950s and 60s, airplane manufacturers invented the jet engine and began to build large airplanes. As a result, commercial aviation took off. Soon, more and more people were able to use airplanes to travel long distances. Aircraft technology continues to improve every day. Nowadays, there are many different kinds of planes, from super modern two-passenger planes to huge commercial jets. Supersonic planes such as the Concorde can fly thousands of miles in just an hour. Although commercial flights on the Concorde ended in 2003, many passengers are still interested in finding the fastest way to fly. Recent developments, like the International Space Station and the NASA Space Shuttle program, have opened new doors to the sky. Will commercial flights in space soon be a reality for people like you and me?